Welcome back, folks, to another episode of MLM, and a bit of a special this morning. It's Saturday, it's the 30th of October, and I've received a parcel from my good friend Michael, whose YouTube channel is Gravesend Australia Diecast Salvage. So please, by all means, go and give Michael some love by visiting his channel. And he sent me and Martin Dare, Tony Hughes and Laz from Laszlo Collectibles a few cars over. So I'm going to unwrap mine. The rest of them will be posted onto our friends from the tavern. So let's have a see what Michael sent and get these little ones unwrapped. So there's the first one. Okay, so this is brilliant. It's the Lotus Elite, and if I remember rightly, this is another variation of the Lotus Elite that I've got with the John Player Special. So that's brilliant. I love that. Happy with that. Thank you, Michael. One. Got a nice little one here. Let's go to the tape on this one. Yeah. And this is a Beach Patrol from, I'm going to have to put some stronger glasses on. It's a Matchbox, made in Thailand, Cadillac ambulance from 1963, which is very Ghostbuster-esque in its looks. I'm not sure what it says on this. It says something like, oh, surf dog, Beach Patrol, Hidden Cove. I like that. It's cute. Next we have okay, so this is a Jeep. Obviously it's the US Jeep from Dinky Toys, and I've got one of these, and it had some parts missing, and it cost me 3 times as much for the parts as it did for the vehicle. So there's another one that we can add to our collection. I do want to do my version of this. I don't think I've got it. So yes, I've got mine, and that's pretty much what it should look like when it's complete. The only thing that I'm missing off the back is a hub to hold the spare wheel, and thankfully from Michael's, if this will pull out, yes it will, there's the other gasoline canister to complete my build. So all I need now is a hub, which we will sort out. So thank you, Michael. Moving on. Oh, okay. We've got a TB1. TB3 and to add to the collection the mighty TB2. Michael knows I have a love for all things Jerry Anderson. And there we go. Couple of nozzles to replace on these two here, but the TB2 is fully intact, no problems there. We are missing Thunderbird 4, but that's not a problem, we can get one of those. And I shall add that to my Jerry Anderson collection. Thank you, Michael. I will get those two repaired. I'll come up with something to replace the nozzles, and we'll do that as a part of a bit of a general fixing issues on models type episode, I think. So there's that one. And then finally, for my set of parcels, I suspect this is the other part of the Lotus Elite setup. Indeed it is. And there's the Yardley McLaren. Brilliant. Absolutely superb. So we'll put that on the back of the Lotus Elite. And this will be done. In fact, all of these will be done. Some nice little projects there. And when I've completed this one, Michael, I will redo this one as well. It's a slightly different model to mine. It hasn't got the gas canisters on the front, so I will look this one up. I know that I can get the driver and steering wheel, etc. So I'll be doing this one as well as a thank you to you. I have some other parcels that I'll be sending over to my friends. So Martin, Laz and Tony, keep your eye out. They'll be in the post to you. And that's me, PJ, signing off. Have a good weekend, folks, and I'll catch you soon. Cheers.